Have you ever accidentally imported an ICS file into Outlook and ended up with thousands of wrong calendar events? Tired face. It clutters your default work calendar, and no matter what you try, Microsoft Community, YouTube tutorials, nothing seems to work. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to bulk delete all those unwanted events in Classic Outlook, step by step. Step 1. Switch to List View. Open Classic Outlook. Go to the calendar. On the top ribbon, click the View tab. Select Change View List. Backhand index pointing right now, instead of a calendar grid, you'll see all events displayed in a list format. Step 2. Select all events. Click anywhere in the event list. Press Ctrl+A to select every event. Backhand index pointing right, this highlights the entire calendar at once. Step 3. Delete all events. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. When Outlook asks for confirmation, click Yes. Backhand index pointing right, your calendar is now completely cleared. Step 4. Delete imported calendar. If your ICS file created a separate calendar, look in the left sidebar under My Calendars. Right-click the imported calendar. Choose Delete Calendar. Confirm. Backhand index pointing right, this removes the entire calendar instantly. And that's it. You've now bulk deleted thousands of events from your Classic Outlook calendar in just a few steps. Always back up your calendar before making mass changes, and you'll stay safe. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Outlook tutorials.